Have you ever bought a meme coin that rug pull? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll be looking at how to avoid losing money to meme coin projects that are scamming projects. In this video, we'll be looking at a tool called Rugcheck. This Rugcheck will help you to analyze a given meme coin project, and it will give you information to decide if you want to ape in or you want to stay away so that you don't lose your money. Guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly consider supporting my work by subscribing to this channel, like and turn on the notification bell for similar and very useful crypto content. So to do this, we'll be looking at three things. We'll be looking at the tools that you need. We'll be looking at how step-by-step guide on how to analyze the risk level of any crypto project, whether meme coin or crypto project, and I'll be demonstrating and be showing you how to analyze results, of such check of a particular meme coin. All right, so the tools you need, the first is a platform called rugcheck.xyz. Okay, so you need this site. You need to open this site. Now, before you type into any project, you come to this site and you use this site to check the meme coin, the contract address. Okay, so this is just the interface. Now, just when you look at the interface, it's very simple. All you just need to do is to know how to use it. This is the first tool, Rugcheck.xyz. So the second tool is the contract address. The contract address of the meme coin that you want to ape in. Now, you can use different platforms. You can use CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Yeah, but the two places that I use and you can get the contract address for new listed meme coin are Dex2 and Dexscreener. So on Dex2, you can now come to this place. You can copy the contract address of this meme coin. Then you can take the contract address to Rugcheck and check the date if validate the risk level for the meme coin. Now, let me explain to you the step-by-step process, that you should use to check the risk level of any meme coin project. So the first thing is to go to Dex to copy the contract address, in this case. So this is next step. Second step is to paste that contract address here, and the next step is to check. Then once you check, you see all the information, all the vital information that you need to determine if this project, the meme coin project that are about aping into, if it is a potential rug pull or it is not potential rug. All right, so let's demonstrate now. Okay, so we'll be using two projects, two meme coin projects to test. The first one is Gina the card. Okay, I've copied the contract address. Then we'll come to this Rugcheck. Then I'll click on check. Okay, powerful. On my screen, this is the analysis for Gina Dog's sister. Now the risk analysis is showing good. So this means this is a good project. The risk is good, the risk level is good, and we can go ahead and buy into this project, the meme coin project. We can buy it confidently because we know that the chances of being rug pull, or being scammed is very low. Now, there are other information that you can analyze them, like token overview, and this is the community sentiment, recent events. Okay, I'll start from token overview. I'll go through what this token overview means. Now this mint, which is the ticker. Okay, the ticker is Gina, and the total supply is 6.9 trillion. That means the total supply for this meme coin is 6.9 trillion. Then the creator, this is the address that created this coin. You can trace it, check it on SourceScan. You should be able to dig around and study the contract. Okay, now the current market cap is $70.8 million, and the liquidity pool is locked 99%, or the liquidity pool 100% locked. So this is fairly good. So the community sentiment is showing bullish. Okay, then the event, there are some recent events that happened 24 days ago. The smart contract for this meme coin was booked. All right, so these are the top holders. 6.63% are the top holders. Okay, and this wallet is holding 1.81%. Bitget exchange is holding 1.35%. Radium is holding 1.83%, and so on and so forth. So what this means is that the token is evenly distributed. So there's no threat of a way dumping on the retail buyer. So this is good, and the risk level is good. And go ahead and ape into meme coin project that shows good, and where you have the analysis to be fairly okay. Now let's do it to another project. Let's use another project. This project is called NVIDIA RTX. Okay, we can copy the contact address. Guys, consider supporting my work by subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like, comment. Okay, so we have copied the contact address. We go to Rugcheck. So go to the home page, we paste and click on check. All right, so this is very important. Now, when you look at this place, risk analysis level warning. Now, for two reasons. The first reason is low liquidity. So that means when you ape in, for example, when you ape in like $2,000, it is very hard for you to bring out your funds, okay, because the liquidity is very low and low amount of liquidity for LP providers. That means the number of people providing liquidity for this meme coin is very low. Okay, so this is the token overview. Mint RTX. This is the ticker. Supply 997,000. Okay, creator. This is the wallet that created it. Market cap $723,000. Okay, LP is 100% locked. So this is top holder 93.93%, and 86% is on Radium, okay, which is the DEX which lists this token. All right, so now what you need to do is to stay off, okay, stay off projects like this, because projects like this are potential raw, okay, and you can't actually make anything with a project like this. If you consider this content to be valuable and helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, comment. What do you think? Which project do you want to are you considering investing in? Okay, write it on the comment section. We'll check it out. All right, so there's a video at the top of this channel. The video is how to make money from top Notcoin projects. Check it. You find it very useful. CoinDollar has a community, both Telegram community and WhatsApp, and the goal of the community is to help you, guide you, so that you can make dollars crypto on daily basis. Check the description section and you will find the link. Join, and you get valuable. Okay, if you are new to crypto, where to start from? It's a book I wrote called Crypto Millionaire. Check the description section, find the book, check it, use it, and you find it very useful, and you know how to get your way crypto space. You also know how to make money.